Okay, so here's this battery charger. It has a solar panel. I used it for a while. These are the specs. 18,000 milliamps. Don't believe that. Okay, and it has two outputs. It has a 1 amp output and a larger 2.1 amp output USB. Okay, it has an input, the small micro USB. You will charge it through this one and you will discharge it through these. Okay, it has a light, an LED and an on-off button. If you double click that on-off switch, then the LED is turned on. Double again and it will turn off. Okay, and you need a cable, something like this, with a micro USB for charging and a USB. And okay, so if you want to charge it, you have to plug in that one there. I didn't plug it in right now. Okay, and here you connect a USB charger from a smartphone, for example. And if you want to charge your smartphone, then you would connect one end there and the other there. Let's try that one. So that's the 2 amp connection, and the micro USB should enter here. Plug it in, nothing happens until you press that on-off switch. So press it once and the phone is charging. Of course this is already full, but you can see the lightning bolt sign there, so it is plugged in. Okay, and if I press it once again, the power button, that tiny one, on off, again I pressed it. Now it's not charging. It should disappear from here. It's still there. I pressed it once, so that's the on-off switch. I'm not sure exactly why it's not turning it off, but here's the camera. Let's plug this one in, and it's charging. That's red. If I press the button once again, now in a few moments it should turn off. It was turning off before, now it's not turning off. That's funny. And it's not working all the time. Sometimes if you plug in something, it will blink all 4 LEDs. Now it turned off. It will blink all 4 LEDs and it won't charge and it won't discharge either. Now if I press it once again, now it's charging again. Okay, and let's unplug this and use another cable. So that's plugged in. It's a normal USB. This one is from a camera. It's not too weak. 1.8 amps. Okay, and to charge it, you should plug in the micro USB somehow. And now the LEDs are blinking, so that's charging. If it's full, then I think it will stop blinking and all full LEDs should turn on all the time, I think. Okay, and that solar panel, this one is okay. First notice the LEDs. No LEDs are on, and if you give it some light, notice that green LED is already on. And this one, so it's detecting the light. And if I don't give it enough light, like so, no green LED, and put it to the light and the green LED is on. So now it's being charged from the sun. By the way, price comparison, that's an RGG 3 and it's almost identical. The thickness almost identical. This has a cover on it, so it's thicker, but it's very comparable. Now it's a bit more charged. Now only 2 LEDs are blinking out of 4, so 2 are already charged. So let's say it's halfway charged. One line only, so it's almost charged. And the phone is charging and is constantly turning the LCD on. So maybe there's a problem with the circuitry because the cable was not moved. So it's connected. Now LEDs are blinking. And a short press of this on off button will enable charging. LEDs are on and the phone is on. Okay, and Thunderbolt sign is there. It's charging. And the long press of that button. So I'm pressing. Long press should disable it. Yes, it's gone. So short press enables it, it's charging, and long press, now I'm pressing it, holding, and now it's off. So now I'm charging a phone and 4 LEDs are on. And let's see if I charge some more devices. Will those LEDs be less? 3, 2 and 1.